thankfully, I believe God has brought this, itong level 1 natin, applicable talaga sa lahat, even pastor. Kaya actually, we are challenging our co-pastors to attend level 1. Kasi if we have the same mind, their planning, their language, itong sistema na to, hindi lang talaga pang church sa loob. It will affect even your studies, even in your relationships. Iniwala kayo ba? Naging part na siya ng sistema ng wiring ng utak mo. Meeting yun where they are, paano kayo makipagtungo sa iyong mga kaibigan. So, nakapagbago talaga siya ng isip. Worldview talaga siya. Nag-change talaga sa akin. And last 2009, kasagsagan yun ng PCEC na katin ako. No? And then, mabait pa ako nun. Naka-video ba? Matino pala. Okay, so, I will encourage you to please take it to your heart yung mga sinulat nyo. I know this is a mental practice. Talagang bibigay yung isip natin at yung mga ideas natin, but if you embrace it, it will affect your whole area of your life, ministry, and your relationships. Diba? So, not only in the youth ministry, magagamit niyo yan in the future. So, in your leadership. Kaya level 1 pa lang, meron pa level 2 at level 3. So, I hope you are excited and you can challenge your young people, co-leaders, to take part with the following schedules natin. Hopefully this year or next year, coming years. So, salamat. I would like to salamat din kina Pastor Darwin, Brother Pastor Drake. Kasama namin in-envision na the upcoming generation of twin leaders, mga youth, will be a new equipped, tapos visionary, talagang may uso sa Panginoon, parang package talaga ng leadership. Not just ministry skills, having the heart and the character, etc. So, praise and thank God for globally. Palakpakan ko natin ang Panginoon sa Kuya Alban, Ethel, and Ate Grace. Okay guys, evaluate niyo maayos.